Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ice cream blind bags. First, gather your essential crafting supplies. You'll need small, fun toys, vibrant paper, and clear plastic bags, ideally about 5 inches by 5 inches. Also, have your scissors, tape, and a marker ready. These items form the foundation for your exciting blind bag creations, ensuring each one is a delightful surprise. Next, let's design the ice cream part of your blind bag. Cut a cone shape from one color of paper, making it about 4 inches tall. Then, from a contrasting color, cut out a rounded scoop shape. Get creative and decorate your scoop with drawn-on sprinkles, a cherry, or even a drizzled design. This visual element makes your blind bag look like a delicious treat. Now it's time to assemble your surprise. Carefully place one of your small toys inside a clear plastic bag. Fold the top of the bag down neatly and secure it firmly with a piece of tape, ensuring the toy is completely hidden. Finally, attach your paper ice cream cone and scoop to the outside of the bag, making it look like a sweet, sealed treat. For the final touches, use your marker to write a fun, mysterious label on each blind bag, like Sweet Surprise or Mystery Treat. Double-check that each bag holds a unique and exciting toy, ready to delight. These blind bags are perfect for parties or as small gifts. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy the joy of discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.